This is how to reset your Blender workspace. Let's imagine you've set up, after a bit of mucking around, a complex looking workspace like this, and you just want it to go back to the default workspace. So firstly, we'd make sure we save our file by doing a file save, and then we'll do a new video editing, and that will give us back our default workspace. But what we need to do now is load in that file we just had. So what we'll do is open that file, pressing Ctrl-O. Here's the file, but before we open it, we need to expand out this arrow here, or press N like this. N opens this right-hand panel, and uncheck Load UI. That way it will load the file, but not the user interface. Now it will load in the file, but it will not alter the user interface. So in other words, you go back to your default workspace. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.